Hello everyone. So today topic is JavaScript modules. So today I will explain JavaScript modules. So in that JavaScript modules are way to split your code into separate files and reuse them when needed. When you need like code, so you can use, and this makes your code more organized, maintainable and scalable. So JavaScript modules are a way to split code into separate files and reuse them when needed. This makes your code more organized, maintainable and scalable. So that is the JavaScript modules. And the next I will explain why we use modules. Why use modules? So first of all, it is avoiding polluting the global namespace and reuse code across files, maintain separation of concerns, and improve readability and testability. So first of all, like avoid polluting the global namespace, and then reuse code across files, and then maintain separation of concerns, and then improve readability and testability. So now these are the like why we use modules. And now I will explain types of JavaScript modules. Types of modules. So first is like ES modules, that also called like ESM, like modern standard. First is ES modules. ESM, like modern standard. Basically it is used for like use export and import keyword. It is use export and import keywords. Now I will explain this module in code. So first of all, I will create like in index.html. Okay, and in that I will add script tag and then src, and then I will write like in file like app.js. Okay, so first of all in that math.js, let's say we will export const add, and then let's say a or b, and then arrow function a plus b, and then export, let's say const subtract a or b, like a minus b. Okay, and then I will import this is in like in my app.js. How I will import like that, like import first of all add and subtract from where we have to, in which file, add or subtract in math.js. math.js. Okay, so simply I will run this. Now we will got output C. Run Chrome. It is throwing error. Okay, it is throwing error like cannot use import statement outside a module. Okay, so that's why I will add type. We will define type module. Now we'll see what will happen. Okay, in that app.js we need to like console also, like then we will got output, no, console.log, suppose add. Okay, first we will add this value 2 or like 3. So now we will get output 5. Let's see, we got output 5. So that's how we can import the in modules. Okay, and second is like CommonJS, used in basically that is used in Node.js. Like second is CommonJS. CommonJS used in Node.js. Now I will explain like key points. So key points, what is the key points of that? So key points is like ES modules are native to modern browsers and can be used in both front end and back end with support. Okay, first one is like ES modules are native to modern browser and can be used in both like front end and back end. Okay, like, and then second is CommonJS. CommonJS. In that is mostly used in Node.js. I already tell is mostly used in Node.js. And in HTML, basically to use like modules, like type modules in the script tag. So that's all about modules. I will decrease the size so that we'll see in one PC. So that's how I explain like JavaScript modules, why we use and types of modules and with like key points. So that's all about modules. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.